The Dell Latitude 3390 is a compact 13.3-inch convertible laptop that offers decent performance but poor battery life. Read on to find out how the Latitude 3390 shapes up elsewhere in this detailed review. Dell aims the Latitude 3390 primarily at professionals who regularly work away from their desks. The convertible design allows the Latitude 3390 to be used as a quasi-tablet or as a presentation device, but it can still get serious work done. Our review unit represents the top-of-the-line Latitude 3390, with Dell selling cheaper models should you be operating on a budget. Our model has an Intel Core i5-8250U processor, 8 GB of RAM, and a 256 GB SSD, for reference. This configuration retails for €1,240, $1 for O2, but you can find the device online for as little as €1,000, $1, $131. At the time of writing. The cheaper models come with either Pentium 4415U or Core i3 processors. The Core i5-8250U should be the first choice for most people though, as lesser CPUs will struggle in complex tasks or during heavy multitasking. All models come with a 1080p IPS touchscreen though. Comparing the Latitude 3390 is not straightforward. There are few €1,000, $1, $131. 13.3-inch business convertibles on the market, so we have chosen to include 14-inch convertibles in our comparison devices. We will primarily compare our review unit against the Asus ZenBook Flip 14, HP ProBook X36440G1, Lenovo ThinkPad L390 Yoga and Lenovo Yoga C930-13 IKB. Dell has finished the Latitude 3390 in an understated-looking black carbon fiber, which it claims is recycled. Our review unit is well built, while its soft touch finish helps make the device feel premium. The carbon fiber is a fingerprint magnet though, so we would recommend carrying a microfiber cloth with you if you want to avoid the Latitude 3390 looking quickly like an oily mess. The Latitude 3390 is sturdy too. Our test device does not creak or bend when we apply pressure to its case, although we can get the keyboard deck to bow slightly by pressing down on it hard. This is not overly pronounced though, and you should not notice it in daily use. We can twist the display lid slightly, but not disturbingly so. The inclusion of a touchscreen and a protective glass layer adds rigidity that non-touchscreen displays lack. The effect is that we cannot get the panel to temporarily deform regardless of how hard we press it. Being a 2-in-1 device, Dell has also equipped the Latitude 3390 with 360-degree hinges, of which there are 2. These are stiff and stop the display from teetering about in daily use. It does prevent the display from being opened with one hand though. Overall, the Latitude 3390 is a well-built device, about which we have few complaints. Its thick display bezels make the device look a bit outdated now, with many laptops having increasingly narrower bezels. The Yoga C930-13 IKB, for example, looks more modern than the Latitude 3390, underlining that modern design is not exclusive to consumer laptops. The Latitude 3390 is a compact 13.3-inch convertible laptop, although it is heavier than most of our comparison devices. Our review unit weighs 1.6 kilograms, which makes it heavier than all but the ProBook X36440G1. Dell also includes a 273G power supply, bringing the total carry weight up to almost 2 kilograms. Likewise, the Latitude 3390 is noticeably thicker than our comparison devices. 20.4mm is rather thick for compact convertibles these days, with all our comparison devices coming in at under 20mm. The Latitude 3390 is narrower and shorter than the ProBook X36440G1 and ZenBook Flip 14 though, with our 2 Lenovo comparison devices being only marginally smaller than our review unit. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.